Hi, Stuart from Straight Back Physiotherapy, Cheltenham's leading clinic for the active, healthy person who wants to fast track their recovery. Now, I am here today to answer a question for you. The question that I am asked most frequently is, should I be using ice on my injury or should I be using heat on my injury? And I'm here once and for all going to solve that question for you. Okay, so should I be using ice or should I be using heat on my injury? Here we go. If you have been out, you may have been walking, you may have been running, you may have been riding, playing tennis, it doesn't matter. You might have rolled an ankle, you may well have felt that you tore a calf, pulled your hamstring. You will understand, if you've done any of those things, that the area generally gets big, red and swollen and warm because you have caused some internal tissue damage, okay? And that is exactly what we want to calm down and settle down. It's exactly the same. A fire, you use cold, you dampen down a fire, and that's what I want you to be doing now with your sports injuries. If you've got an acute sports injury, you need to be using some ice on it. Use some ice to take away that heat. Use it for 10 minutes, perhaps every hour or two, okay, where possible. Take away the heat from the injury, let the inflammation settle, and hopefully it will make it feel a bit easier. Now, conversely, if you've had a problem, if you pulled your back some weeks ago and it's been sore and it's been stiff and it's gotten a bit tight, and that happened a couple of weeks ago, then there is no problem at all in using a hot pack on there. You see the heat, you know yourself, if you've sat out in the sunshine, it can feel very therapeutic. It feels nice, doesn't it? And it softens things. And that is exactly what the heat will do. It will take away the tension and tightness of a muscle. So if you have an injury that you've had for a few weeks, please be using some heat on it. If you've got an injury that you did a matter of hours or minutes ago, then be using ice on it, okay? I hope that settles things once and for all, and you now know how to look after your acute sports injury or that nagging back that's been tight for a few weeks. Hope that makes some sense. Use that advice, put it to good work. Thanks, guys.